You train your abs, yet nothing shows, not even a shadow. Here's the brutal truth. Your ab routine isn't the problem, everything else is. And if you don't fix this, you could keep doing crunches for the next 3 years and still look the same. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why your abs stay hidden, the precise steps to finally reveal them, the biggest mistakes ruining your results, and a simple 7-day plan to kickstart visible progress. If you've ever felt like your abs are genetically cursed, watch this till the end. You're going to learn how wrong that idea actually is. 1. Your abs are hidden under fat, not weakness. Here's the blunt reality. Most people don't have a lack of abs problem. They have a body fat problem. Abs typically show around 14 to 18% body fat for most men. The lower you go, the sharper the lines. Anything above 20%, your abs are basically in witness protection. This means you can have strong abs and still look smooth. Crunches don't burn belly fat. Planks don't burn belly fat. Mountain climbers don't burn belly fat. Caloric deficit plus movement equals fat loss. Your ab training only defines the muscles, it doesn't reveal them. 2. Training your abs wrong makes your waist look thicker. Here's something nobody tells you. Some exercises actually make your waist look bigger, not smaller. Stuff like heavy weighted side bends, high rep twisting with weights, oblique overactivation, excess spinal flexion with heavy load. These can build the muscles on the side of your waist, making your midsection blocky instead of tight. If you want a lean aesthetic waist, keep your ab work controlled, focused, and mostly unweighted. 3. You're ignoring the muscles that actually make abs pop. Everyone trains upper abs. Almost no one trains lower abs, transverse abdominis, deep core stabilizers. These are the muscles that pull your stomach inward and create that flat, tight look. If your lower belly always looks soft even when flexing, this is the reason. The real aesthetic core comes from training reverse crunches, hollow holds, dead bugs, leg raises, with proper form. These movements create the lower ab line, the one everyone secretly wants. 4. Your training isn't consistent enough. You can't hit abs once a week and expect something magical to happen. Abs recover quickly. They're small muscles. They respond best to frequency, not huge weights. Ideal, 3 to 5 short sessions per week, 5 to 10 minutes each is enough. You don't need a big routine. You need consistency and a slight deficit. Common mistakes. Let's cut the nonsense and fix the real problems. Mistake number 1. Doing crunches for fat loss. Ab exercises don't burn belly fat. Spot reduction is fake. You're burning calories, sure, but not enough to matter. Mistake number 2. Only training upper abs. That gives you the 4-pack only look. Everything below the belly button stays soft. Mistake number 3. Copying fitness influencers who are already lean. They look shredded because they're lean, not because their ab routine is magical. Mistake number 4. Training abs but eating like it doesn't matter. Your kitchen will expose your workout every single time. Mistake number 5. Zero focus on posture. If your pelvis tilts forward, anterior pelvic tilt, your stomach appears bigger even at low body fat. Strengthen core, fix posture, instantly look tighter. Mistake number 6. Not bracing properly. Most people flex their abs wrong. Proper bracing makes your stomach tighter and trains your deep core, the muscle that pulls your waist in. 7-day action plan. Simple, repeatable, proven. Day 1 through 7, nutrition check, daily. Keep meals simple. Eat mostly whole foods. Stay slightly below maintenance. High protein, 1.6 to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight. This alone reveals more abs than any workout routine. Day 1 through 7, daily movement goal. You don't need cardio, just 10,000 steps daily. Steps destroy belly fat slower than cardio, but far more consistently. Day 1 through 7, 7-minute ab routine. Follow this exactly. Perform 3 to 5 times per week. 1. Dead bugs, 45 seconds. 2. Reverse crunches, 45 seconds. 3. Hollow hold, 30 to 40 seconds. 4. Leg raises, 10 to 12 reps. 5. Plank, 45 seconds. 6. Vacuum hold, 20 seconds. Optional. Repeat twice if you're advanced. This combination hits upper abs, lower abs, deep core, waist tightening muscles, stability. Day 7. Progress check. No, you won't see abs in 7 days, but you will notice less bloating, tighter waist, better posture, stronger core activation, more control of your lower abs. Consistency over genetics, every time. If you want me to drop the full 30-day abs transformation program, comment 30 days below. And if you're serious about revealing your abs faster, watch my next video. The worst ab exercises that are wasting your time. It'll save you months of frustration.